Galaxy Buds disconnecting issues are common, especially with Buds 3, Buds Pro 2, and Buds FE models. The primary cause is software glitches in Bluetooth 5.4 6.0, which can be triggered by rapid device switching or crowded Wi-Fi environments. While hardware failures are rare, under 5% of cases, most disconnects are software-related and often linked to Android 15 updates on Galaxy phones. Samsung releases updates via the Galaxy Wearable app to address these issues. The first and simplest solution is to ensure your Galaxy Wearable app and your Galaxy Buds firmware are up to date. Updates often include fixes for Bluetooth stability and auto reconnection protocols. Step 1. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. This is the app that manages your Galaxy devices. Step 2. Navigate to Earbuds Software Update in the app menu. This section specifically handles firmware updates for your Galaxy Buds. Step 3. Download and install any available updates. These updates, like the January 2026 v5.2 patch, address disconnection issues by improving Bluetooth stability and auto reconnection protocols. Step 4. After the update, restart your phone and repair your earbuds. This ensures the firmware changes sync properly and resolves any disconnection issues. Bluetooth operates on 2.4 GHz radio frequencies, sending signals through the air as electromagnetic waves. These frequencies are susceptible to interference from Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, and other electronic devices that operate on similar bands. Adaptive Bluetooth technology switches between different modes to conserve battery life, but this can sometimes affect connection stability. Bluetooth connections can drop if your Galaxy S25 moves more than 10 to 30 meters away from the buds, as the signal becomes too weak. To minimize interference, move away from potential sources like Wi-Fi routers or microwaves, and ensure your devices stay within the effective Bluetooth range. If updates don't work, try these fundamental troubleshooting steps. First, forget the buds from your phone's Bluetooth settings. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and select Forget or Unpair for the Galaxy Buds. Second, reset the buds by placing them in the case, opening the lid, and holding the pairing button for 7 seconds. Third, repair the buds. Remove buds from case and follow pairing instructions in Galaxy Wearable app. Fourth, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh the Bluetooth connection. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off. These steps often resolve minor connectivity glitches. Battery and charging case issues are common causes of Galaxy Buds disconnections. When the battery level drops below 10%, the earbuds may disconnect to conserve power. To prevent this, make sure both your earbuds and the charging case are fully charged before use. Clean the charging contacts on both the earbuds and inside the case using a dry cloth. This ensures proper electrical contact for charging. If the problem persists, the charging case itself may be faulty. Test with another compatible charging case if you have one available. Certain apps, especially VPNs, can disrupt Bluetooth connections on your Galaxy Buds. VPNs work by routing all your device's internet traffic through encrypted tunnels, which can interfere with Bluetooth signals and cause disconnections. To troubleshoot, temporarily disable your VPN app. Go to your phone's settings, find the VPN section, and turn it off. Then test your Galaxy Buds connection to see if the disconnections stop. If the disconnections cease after disabling the VPN, the issue is confirmed. Adjust the VPN app settings to allow Bluetooth connections, or consider switching to alternative VPN apps that are known to work better with Bluetooth devices. For comprehensive troubleshooting, use Samsung's SmartThings app. Open the app, go to the Diagnostics section, and run Bluetooth tests. The app can identify specific apps that are conflicting with your Galaxy Buds connection. Samsung's Galaxy Wearable app version 5.2 and later includes a stable connection mode that helps prevent disconnections. To enable it, go into the app settings and turn on Stable Connection mode. This feature prioritizes maintaining a stable Bluetooth connection, even if it means slightly reducing audio quality. Experts recommend regular resets of the buds as a preventative measure. According to Android Authority's Daniel Bader, regular resets can prevent up to 70% of connection problems. Additionally, turn off high-quality audio in your Bluetooth settings to reduce bandwidth usage and stabilize the connection, as recommended by Tech Insider. The future of Galaxy Buds connectivity looks promising, with Samsung integrating AI to prioritize audio stability and reduce disconnections. The 2025 Buds FE model introduced AI noise cancellation, which improves connection stability by intelligently managing audio priorities. By 2027, Samsung plans to integrate Bluetooth LE audio with ultra-wideband for seamless handoffs, potentially eliminating 90% of disconnection issues through advanced technology. Keep an eye out for these advancements in future models and software updates to enjoy even more reliable Galaxy Buds connectivity.